My name is Govind Nataraja. I'm 10 years old. I'm living in Morrisville, North Carolina, United States of America. I'm competing in devotional music mid-junior division. Today I'm singing Deva Bandhanamma, composed by Purandara Saru, set to Shankar Bharana Raga, set to Adi Tala. Deva Bandhanamma, Swami Bandhana, Devara Deva Shikamani Bandhano, Deva Bandhanamma, Swami Bandhano, Uraga Shayana Banda, Garuda Gamana Banda, Narangoli Dava Banda, Narayana Bandhano, Deva Bandhanamma, Swami Bandhano, Mandarodara Banda, Mamanohara Banda, Vrindavanapati, Govinda Bandhano, Deva Bandhanamma, Swami Bandhano, Pujani Samharana Banda, Parahuta Vanya Banda, Mahatulana Muduhida, Govinda Bandhano, Deva Bandhanamma, Swami Bandhano, Nakaranu Banda, Chakradharanu Banda, Akura Golidava, Trivikrama Bandhano, Deva Bandhanamma, Swami Bandhano, Pakshivahana Banda, Lakshmana Gaja Banda, Akshaya Paladali Shri Lakshmi Ramana Bandhano, Deva Bandhanamma, Swami Bandhano, Nigama Gochara Banda, Nitya Traptanu Banda, Nage Mukha Purandara Vitala Bandhano, Deva Bandhano.